education teacher. I'm passionate about helping fellow educators embrace AI in digital content creation. In addition to my work in education, I'm a proud mother of 2 wonderful adult children and a devoted grandmother to a remarkable grandson. I invite you to join me on this journey through the dynamic world of AI and digital innovation. My goal is to offer support and guidance, empowering others to explore and seize the new opportunities this field presents. I'm also focusing on achieving financial independence and discovering pathways for passive income. Understanding the financial security is the key to reaching our goals and fulfilling our aspirations. Let's embark on this collaboration journey of growth, enriching not just our own lives, but the lives of those around us. So I invite you to come share with me my journey of learning. I'm currently selling digital online courses that give you step-by-step videos. It breaks them down into every category and breaks them down even further. They start from intermediate to the expert. I'm also creating my own course online, and it is for teachers to teach in an after-school program, candle making. I use Beacons as my platform of choice to host and sell my digital products. My website is on there, my shop is on there, and now I am creating my own courses. I do have some free PDFs, downloads that you can take a look at just to get you started if you don't know anything about creating digital content or marketing online. This is a vast land that we're embarking on, and we are on this journey together. I'm always learning. I do not know everything, but I know a lot, but I'm still learning and perfecting my craft. So as I'm perfecting, there are a lot of things I can show you, like how to create an Etsy shop. I was very successful selling my tarot cards on Etsy. I have a shop called Busy Legs where I sell hoodies, activewear, leggings, all of those things. And I also have my shop, Nova's Flame. This is named after my grandson, Nova. I create candles. And Risenycfreedom. That is my shop where I create the digital products and sell digital courses that have already been created. You can also resell them. They have master resale rights, so you can sell them and make residual passive income off of them. So I, again, invite you to join me on this very vast and crazy ride of online digital content creation, marketing, teaching, and learning. I will be opening up my YouTube. That's why I'm making this video for everyone. And I will be placing courses on there and placing different things on there. Some with a lot of free things, information. Of course, my courses are paid courses, but there will be a lot of things that you can learn, a lot of free things that you can learn. So if you know any elders also that are struggling with learning online, we can get them. We can do Zoom calls, or maybe we can do meetup groups and in a community center or something, and then we can all get together and start learning together. Okay, so I thank you. I appreciate you. I'm sending you out blessings in abundance. I'm excited, and I can't wait to see you. Take care.